Mac, I'm gone. A millionaire, I'm a young money millionaire, tougher than Nigerian hair. My criteria compared to your career just isn't fair. I'm a venereal disease, like a menstrual bleed through the pencil and leak on the sheet of the tablet in my mind. Cause I don't write shit, cause I ain't got time. Cause my seconds, minutes, hours go to the almighty dollar and the almighty power of that chopper. Sister, brother, son, daughter, father, motherfucker, copper. Got the Maserati dancing on the bridge, pussy poppin', tell the coppers, ha ha ha, you can't catch them, you can't stop them. I go by them goon rules. If you can't beat them, then you drop them. You can't man them, then you mop them. You can't stand them, then you drop them. You pop them, cause we pop them like over Redenbacher. Yeah, motherfucker,
Wayne, I'm gone and a millionaire with them young money millionaires. Think you're Willie, Papa Willie in air. Mac Millie, the vanilli's in hair. I'm a rascal, don't get wop. I get grad school, don't get top. I get tassel, pass you with a flow. You can never put a break on. And I break on anything a nigga take on. Till an ape on, from a trait on. Straight long, go a nigga like a Macon. If a Macons, with a bass gone, with the bass ball. Let the pistons on that chopper. Comma, cops, I'm kamikaze. Drive my rock with them Obamas. Illy in a mind, really with a nine. Millie when I rhyme, silly anytime. Fine chili, giddy on a run, shitty on a dime. Penny on a line, plenty to me, any giddies. All the bigger than a mini, ever mine. I'm Illy, and it's all off GPs and a PG. Walk by beat, beat me the freak. Talk, I beat feet on a G. She talk by Weezy F. We be the best, truly to death, truly the best. You be confess, you be the ref. Excuse me, I left.
okay. I'm a millionaire, I'm a young money millionaire. What y'all really wanna nah? Y'all don't really wanna do it. If hip-hop is dead, I am the environment fluid. And I don't care who it be, I'm stepping to it. Notice I say it, cause to me, it ain't shit. Get it? Call me with your like trick, call me on my sidekick. Never answer when it's private. Man, I hate a shy chick. Don't you hate a shy chick? I had a plate of shy chick and she ain't shy no more. She changed her name to my chick. Yeah, boy, that's my girl. And she pops excellent up in Wayne's World. Totally, dude, you should see their faces when they see that this robot can move. And they say, yeah, and they go, that's right. I'm a millionaire, I'm a young money, cash money, fast money, slow money, more money, never knew money. What is that? Who is that? I never heard of it. I will take your picture and make a rest in peace shirt of it. Someone should take this beat and make a rest in peace shirt of it, because I killed it. I don't tell no one you heard of me. It's like the beat was screaming murder me, and I'm a murderer, so I murdered it. And you rappers is what I eat and I'll make sure of it. And he who don't believe, I'll make dessert of him. Sherbert him, I mean shame on him. Or her, caught her, father of this rap thing. This is my race, gon' take a lap, man. Weezy baby's nursery, now gon' take a nap, man. It's nap time. I holler back at you at snack time. Weezy. Yeah, okay. They say I'm rapping like Big J and Tupac, Andre 3000. Where is Erykah Badu at? Who that said it gon' beat Lil Wayne? My name ain't Vic, but I keep that flame, boy. Who that wanna do that, boy? I knew that you that swallow, and I be the shh. Now you got loose bowels. I don't owe you like 2 vowels, but I would like for you to pay me by the hour. And I'd rather be pushing flowers than to be in the pen sharing showers. See, Tony told us this world was ours, and the Bible told us every girl was sour. Don't play in the garden and don't smell her flower. Call me Mr. Carter or Mr. Lawnmower. Boy, I got so many girls like I'm Michael Lowry. Even Gwen Stefani, see she couldn't doubt me. Man, life just ain't life without me. Hip-hop just ain't hip-hop without me. Young Moolah, baby. C3. Well, come on in there. Daddy's back.